everybody. Cowards do that and that ain't you. You're better than that.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Invincible Priyanshu. Today we are going to start with a new programming language called Python. Python is a high-level language which was mainly developed to emphasize the code that readability, for which it uses the English keyword very frequently. The most appropriate language for beginners due to its simple and clearly defined syntax. Python is an object-oriented programming language which was developed by Guido van Rossum, and its implementation was started in December 1999. The language was finally released in 1991. Python has many advantages, like it is very easy to learn, it has various modes like interactive mode, script mode, and it contains huge library of modules which can be used in coding. It is very portable and has very simple syntax. It is also a free to use programming language, which means you do not have to pay any money. It also supports GUI programming. Information that Python is case sensitive language. I understand. This means capital P and print. These both are different. While the small print is used to print the text and the capital P is just a variable. Python has two modes which we are working. Is a interactive mode, which means we can get a line by line output, and the other one is script mode. Here you can write your syntax and run it by using F5 and run button. So let's get started. We are going to work with Python 3.8.0, which is the latest version. Okay, let's get started by using a simple syntax of printing hello world. It is the basic syntax which is used in most of the languages as beginning. Let's run it. Oh, we got the result. Let's move further. Here x is a variable name, and you must follow certain rules for forming a variable in Python. The variable name should start with a letter, which is a letter or an underscore, means it should be alphanumerical. Example x10, it is an alphanumerical, and it is also a valid variable name. But 10x, it is not a variable name because starting with numbers. A variable name can consist digits, letter, underscore. No other character is allowed. Variable names are case sensitive, means hell is equals to 10 and capital H and hell is equals to 10 is two different variables. Python will consider it as two different variables, not the same. So you must be careful while using Python about this. And Python has 4 data types, mainly string, Boolean, numerical literals and special literals. So Python automatically assign variable data type. This process of initialization and reinitialization is called dynamic typing. So x is equals to 10. It is a string for Python. Y is equals to 00. Print x plus y. What you expect the result? Okay, we can see that Python did not plus it, but actually considered that as a string, means a text. Yeah, 10 0 1 0 0 0, and that we got 1000. Let's change it by now it has been changed into integer. Now let's run it, and we got our result 10 plus 2 12. Let's change the data type into float. Float is a literal represented which represent decimal points like 10.5 and 10.8. When you need to represent decimal value, then we use float. Now let's run it, and we again get our result in with decimal values. Examples of float could be 42.33, minus 23.95, and another one is complex number. Examples of complex number could be 1 plus 2 into j is a complex number. Let's move to another data type, which is special literal. Here like n is equals to none. Here we assign n a value which does not exist but can be given further. In other programming language, this is generally referred as null, which is null. Let's move to next data type, which is a Boolean. It is an data type which evaluates an expression and return the result in true and false. Like we check out oh, it must be case sensitive. Oh. Now let's give an condition. Now it will evaluate the expression whether x is equals to y or not, and return the value true or false. And there was an error. Okay. Yeah, we got our result, which is true. This means 10.5 is equals to 10.5. Let's change the value, then run it. Hey, we got our result false, which is correct. This is enough for all today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video, and kindly like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you.